So much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me.
I already did my brows and my face off camera besides highlighter because I want the main focus today to be on the eyes. I'm starting off with the Morphe 35B, and so I'm starting off with this yellow shade instead of using a transition color because I really want the color to pop. Starting right here, like right in the front. This feels so weird that I have my whole face done. I've never done a video like this, so it just feels weird. There. And then I'm actually gonna go into my Anastasia brush that comes with like every palette that they have, and I'm using this side because it's easy to like pack on stuff with this brush. So I'm just gonna pack it onto my whole entire, not my whole entire lid, but I'm stopping like halfway because I want it to be mainly in the front. And then now I'm gonna take some more yellow and I'm gonna put it underneath my eye. And you can put it in like the center too. What is it called? The center? The inner corner, that's what I meant to say. So yeah, I just put it like that. And I'm going back into the fluffy brush and I'm just gonna put that right there again. Some more yellow, because you want it to be really, really bright. And then, ew, what the fuck was that? And then, my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take the yellow because I want to make it look more pigmented and stand out more. So I'm gonna be using this yellow right here, and I'm using the same fluffy brush and just putting that over the other yellow that we used, because whenever I double up on the yellow, it just makes it look more pigmented. Circular motions to make sure that it's blended and that there's like no harsh lines or anything. Especially pack it on the lid, on that little space where it shows your skin, because sometimes when you blend it, it won't cover that with just a blending brush. You have to use a packing brush. So make sure that you're packing it all on and then blending it out. I'm taking my NYX number 12 brush, and this is how it looks like, bright pink, and I'm gonna just dip this brush into there, and I'm gonna put it on my outer corner and just focus on getting it right there. Using like a stabbing motion to get that really into there. But yeah, you can see how, like I said, I don't want them to blend because it's starting to come, like it's starting to get orange right there. Like we don't want that. I don't want that, I just think it looks ugly. And I'm gonna go upwards a little bit and focusing it on the outer. This is why I don't do foundation. This is why I don't do foundation till the end. Oh my gosh, please, please. It's okay. We could just use translucent powder to get that off. Yeah, just pretend like that never happened. It's super easy, I feel like, because it's not, you don't have to be super precise with it. You just basically slap on the colors. But the only thing that you need to make sure that you do is blend it. Why does it look higher on that side? Then I'm taking this brush, and before I use it on my eyes so that it doesn't turn orange, I'm gonna wipe off this brush onto like a towel or something. And it's gonna look like a little pea stain, but that's okay because you want to get that yellow off. I feel like if you're doing your makeup, like a #1 thing that you need to have is a towel with you. I want to get the Maybelline Super Stay. Bitch, what the fuck? I want to get the Maybelline Super Stay foundation because that one I heard good reviews about, but it's just that the stick foundation is bad for like dry skin, and I have kind of like, I have combination skin, I guess. I feel like, I don't know. I'm taking this brush. This is the e.l.f. defining eye brush, and I'm going into this pink shade right here again, and I'm gonna put that underneath like my lower lash line, or on my lower lash line, under my lower lash line. Taking my Masquerade by Juvia's Place. This shade over here, it's called Giza. Oh, you can't even see. This is how it's called, or how it looks like. Sleek makeup palette. I'm taking these two. I have a little pimple right there. I don't know if I should highlight it or go under it or what. Putting that into my inner corner. These lashes, which I got from AliExpress, you can get a pack of 5. This was only like $1, like no cap, like this was $1. So if you guys are looking for some lashes but you're broke and you don't want to spend $12 for just one, look at, people be really spending $12. Look at that, how pretty they are. Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Mascara. This is how it looks. Oh, it matches. That's so cute. Look at it, literally matches. Hashtag not sponsored, but you can sponsor me, Maybelline, if you're trying to sponsor a bitch. Then what's up? And I know I got a little bit of glue. I fucked up a little bit. It's okay. It's gonna dry. It's gonna dry. You guys could do eyeliner too if you want, but I just didn't want to do eyeliner because I felt like I would fuck up, and it's, you know how that goes. So I was like, nah, I'm not about to do that. But damn, this looks good. What the heck? Like, who the fuck is she?
You'll never know me now. When bellies are hungry, but there ain't no money, you get it and don't care how. Be the one that you ain't a friend of me.
Lip plumper. I've tried better lip plumpers, but this one is okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna use a gloss today. Okay, so this is the final look. So if you guys like this look, then please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. You already know the drill with that. Yeah, look at how cheap these lashes. Oh god, I got mascara. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
What the fuck is that?
Hey, rolling up that fade away, rolling up that fade away, rolling up that fade away. Keep it low, you losing me. Rolling up that fade away, rolling up that fade away, rolling up that